July 17th, 1918. A family was told they were being moved to safety. Instead, they were led to their execution. Tsar Nicholas II and his family had been prisoners for months in the Ipatiev house. When Bolshevik guards came that night, they said it was time for a family photograph in the basement. The Romanovs gathered together, parents and children, even their servants. Then the executioners walked in. The gunfire was deafening, but something went wrong. Some family members kept moving. The bullets weren't killing them. The children had sewn jewels into their clothing. The diamonds and pearls were acting like armor. What happened next was butchery. Guards used bayonets, point-blank shots to the head, even the youngest children. The bodies were burned with acid, buried in secret forest graves. For 70 years, the Soviet Union claimed the family had escaped. They lied. When the remains were finally found in the 90s, DNA testing confirmed the truth. The 300-year Romanov dynasty ended in that basement, in the most brutal way possible.